This is Dabu7 with an earthquake update. Starting off here in the New Madrid region. Small quake set off, and the only reason I'm covering this small quake is because we've been seeing a lot more as of late. Smaller ones that are popping up, not only in this region, but in Missouri, Arkansas, Tennessee. These smaller quakes just kind of peppering this region. Now, as we back out here, you can see 3.7. The largest quake to recently strike what I call the heart of fracking country now in Oklahoma. And as I back out, you'll see not a whole lot of major activity until you get over here near Indonesia. You can see they have had what was listed to be an 8.1 that had struck here off the coast outside of Jakarta. They downgraded this to a 7.8. This was a very shallow quake. Still having these aftershocks of at least 4.8, as you can see here, Sumatra region. So it's being listed right now as a 7.8. Tsunami warnings for all these coastal areas have been canceled, so that is good. If we can get the screen to move here, you can see Java, there's quakes popping off on this rim. In Indonesia, has a history of activity. It's always seen quakes like you see right here. Magnitude 4.5 to 5, somewhere in that range, just hitting here or there throughout the chain. But it's been a while since we've seen one of this magnitude, that's for sure. I'll keep an eye on this. It may set off other things. These bigger quakes are known to do that. And when I say that, I mean specifically when talking about some of the ridge lines out here. One thing that is rather peculiar about this is it's out here in a flat. It's not all a ridge line like we normally see. The North Atlantic Ridge, you often see a lot of quakes, as I point out over here, from the Azores all the way down around here. This is where you see the quake activity, and then down into the serpent heads, into what I call the teeth right here of this one, these islands. That's usually where you see the activity, is on those ridge lines out here, those plate boundaries. As you can see there. But that's the latest here in regards to earthquakes. This 7.8 that has struck out in the ocean off the coast of Indonesia. Like I said, I've seen reports that the tsunami warnings have been canceled, and it doesn't look like there's been much of any damage from this. If I do come across any damage, I'll update. Make sure to follow on Twitter. And make sure to tune in this Friday, 8:30 p.m. Eastern. Dabu777 for Real Talk Live. You can always catch it, as well as other live events, on undergroundworldnews.com/live feeds. So, till next time, guys, y'all stay safe. This has been Dabu7 with an earthquake update. Peace.